This is ZTE Axon 30, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default app for browsing on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch the General Settings app, then enter the Dedicated Apps category. Next, you gotta go for the Default Apps section, then open Browser app page, and in here simply select Opera by tapping on it. That is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let me show you this variant as well. So I'll just launch the Opera, then at the bottom right corner tap on your own avatar picture, then on this cog icon in order for you to be forwarded to the settings, scroll the page down for a little bit, then tap on the default browser field, next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. And just like so, we have successfully set Opera to be our default browser on this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.